Welcome to class. Today we are going to create this design by the graphics, the underscore graphics on our Instagram. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. What you want to do first is to go over here and click on this. Click on color and just make it white. Right? You can just pick the white from this design. All right, so this is it. Okay, all right, so the next thing we want to do is to bring in the original design. All right, it's going to guide us to pick fonts and whatsoever thing. So this is the original design, right? Okay, just drag it in like this. Now you can use this as a guide to get the things that you want to get. Let's say this. All right, I'm bringing them to the front. All right, so this person here is the first person which is there, something like that. So I'm just gonna go over here and crop it, okay, like this. All right, I just put it there like that, and then go over to color filters, reduce the opacity to this -0, then increase the contrast to 34. I think that will be all for that. All right, then we can also come over here, this pastel here, we'll do the same thing, 34. All right, let's try again. So not that, 34. Okay, so we have to reduce it. Oh boy, reduce it. All right, something like that. Okay, so then we'll bring this to the front. All right, so we'll try this also. Okay, the head is not bad, so we'll cut it here. We'll bring this, reduce this, bring this to the front. So let's try to bring that picture to the front so that we'll see what we're doing. So it means you have to go over here, increase the brightness, increase this also, and see how we can. All right, it's not so perfect, but it is manageable. All right, so after you've done that, we want to do this. Since it is all white, all right, since it's all white, so I can just do this. Okay, so like this, right? So if you check the original design, you'll find out that there's a circle, there's a circular shape around this part here. Okay, so we can just push this up a little, but this should come to the front. Okay, this should go to the back. All right, you see that now. So let's get the pastor's name. All right, so this pastor Jojo, go to curve and just curve it like this and put it right there. This guy can come down a little, so let it be white. Just put it right there. You can still curve it a little, just small more. All right, then for these people here, okay, all right, we can just change it to white also. All right, just go ahead and close up the space a little. Okay, then for this person right here, you do the same, change the color to white. All right, so in most of these videos, I will go ahead and pause and quickly get. Okay, so let's do this. All right, okay, so now that is done, and 5 minutes is gone already. So what we want to do next is to get in this guy here. So the name of this font is this. So I couldn't get the original font, so but I use Dop Style. All right, Dop Style. All right, you want to go over to padding and make sure that every other thing is out properly. All right, so I'm going to copy this. It says the unusual, right? Unusual. Okay, you get that now. All right, so there's gonna be this not that, okay, there's gonna be, okay, there's gonna be this guy here. So let's try and adjust it somewhere there. All right, just increase it a little. All right, so let's take this guy out now. All right, see what we got. All right, so this, we're going to go to color and we're going to select this color here. There's that blue. Then for this, we're going to pick this yellow. Okay. All right. I'm sending this to the back. Sending this to the back. Okay. So this is where we are at now. All right. So let's come over here. Right here, there's going to be the text, the Bible text, Philippians chapter 2, verse 6 to 11. Right, that will be very small there. Color blue, just make it bold right there like this. All right, apart from that, there's also this guy that's going to be there, the legacy. We'll do this, and then we'll do this, right, and then we'll increase it. All right, the date is September 22nd. So we'll come over here. Let's use months around. Let's change it to blue. Fix it there. Let's ensure that the line is like this. Okay. All right. So the next thing we want to do here is to get this logo. Where is it? Okay. So let's get the logo right here. Okay. So I couldn't get the original logo, so I had to get it from the design. So which is this right here. All right. Then we want to put this circle around it. Then we'll write what's it called? So I'm putting this one here. So it's just going to be Sunday, 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 Sunday. So Sunday. All right. Okay. You see that now? So we'll copy it. All right. It's going to be this color right now. So all I have to do is to rotate it. Are you seeing that now? So rotate it like this. Okay. So we might not have to maybe curve it more. All right. Curve it more. So after you have successfully done every curvings 1, 2, 3, 4, you can go ahead now and merge them together. All right. So after you've meshed them together, you want to just reduce it like this, small there. All right. Okay. Let's put it there like this. Then you can bring the September, blah blah blah, and just adjust it. I think a long font like Bibans would be best. All right. So just put it right there. Okay. All right, so after you've done that, the next thing you want to do is, okay, so let's check. All right, so we're going to be fast with the other stuff. So here, we put this guy here. We just put this, change the color to this. Let's go back to this. All right. So yeah, you're going to copy this guy. All right. 4:30 p.m. Okay, so you can use black. It's preferable to use black. Okay. All right. Okay, Okay, then the next thing is going to be the church. The name of the church, I copied it here already, so I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to copy it out. So I'm taking these two. All right, so I'll go ahead and hide this again. Then I'm going to pick this out and paste it there. Then I'll copy this. All right. Okay, because this is going to be big, so I'll put this here like this. All right, then while we adjust that, the other ones is going to be come under this. All right, so that's how we'll go ahead and we'll edit the fonts. So it's going to be black, quite small right here. Okay. All right, after that, after you have successfully arranged that, you want to come over here and put a demarcation, a line like this. All right, let the color of the line be blue. All right, so just do it like this. You see that now? Then you want to come over here also and get this shape, a very small shape here, or we can even use this one. So we can delete this, we can copy this. All right, just copy it and put it there like this. Then the color, we're going to change it to blue. All right, then we're going to go over here, we get a shape, another shape. All right, which is going to be a blue also, but the outline is going to be white. So we'll go over here, go to outline with stroke, and then we increase it like this. Then we can adjust it here. Okay. All right, just like we have it on the flyer. All right, so we can work on this one. We can go to edit and just do it like this. All right, so let me bring it here so that we'll see exactly what we're doing. Okay, so all right, so put it there like this. All right, you see that now. So what will be there is free buses available. So we'll just type it there. Don't forget to like this video. So it's a free buses available. So like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. My name is Niyamuda, and I'll be dropping a lot of wonderful and helpful tutorials that would for starters especially, and even if you are a pro, you can also learn from my YouTube channel. All right, so then there's going to be a boss icon there. All right, so after that, then the other descriptions are going to be there. So I'm going to copy this line now right here. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to move it down. All right, so while I'm moving that, all right, so just go ahead and arrange all the other information. All right, so I'm just going to come over here and I'll copy this. All right, so it's quite easy to arrange. All right, so I'm just going to put this here. All right, yeah, just change the color. So anywhere you see a dark color, use a light color, a light background. Wherever you see a light background, use a dark color. That is the rule of design. All right, so I'm just gonna adjust this here. So right here, there's going to be a word. Okay, so because of time, I will not be able to get all this information plainly. So I'm just going to adjust this. So put it white there. Okay, so just move it in. Move this one down here. All right, so let's just say there's another number also. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a tutorial, you will be the first person to receive it. All right, don't you want to be the first person to get notified when I post tutorials? So right here, I'm going to write registration. Okay, so register now / all the information. All right, so I'm just going to use a black for it, or even a blue red rather. All right, we just reduce it and put it right there. So the next thing I want to do is to get this guy here. It says sponsors. All right, so yes, it sponsors. So I'm going to copy this, put it here, reduce it and put it right here. So just come over here. All right, we're going to go and get the logos. Where are they? Alright, so this is it. So originally you get the logos and fix them here. You just come over here and then you write here sponsors. Alright, since the color is dark, so you can use a white for it, and you fix it here. Alright, so when done, let's adjust 1 2 3 to the middle. Alright, you see that now? So this musical instrument right here, we can just copy it. Then we'll come over here, we'll clean these other guys that are not necessary. Clean these other guys. Alright, so we can put another one here. We can probably change the color to yellow. Then we'll copy again and fix another one, maybe somewhere here. Okay. Alright, so my name is Niyamuda and I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Do have to join me next time, like this video, drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from, and I hope to see you more next time. And it's gonna be a bye-bye from me. Thank you for watching.